What is going on, guys? I have a very important topic to go over with you guys today, but first I want to tell you guys that last week I told you all that we were going to be having a live stream on Thursday, and we had some technical difficulties, so I could not get the live stream going. But I have great news for you guys. We're actually have everything fixed. I'm going to be having a live stream this coming up Thursday. That is in exactly 2 days. Mark your calendars. I am going to be hosting it at 5 p.m. PST. That's 8 p.m. EST. There is a 3-hour time difference from California and New York between the PST and the EST time zone. So make sure that you know. Make sure that you guys are ready for this live stream. I think I might have said live webinar earlier, but no, we're having a YouTube live stream this Thursday at 5 p.m. PST, 8 p.m. EST. But guys, I want to go over something with you guys, and that is the one golden rule when trading that you guys need to know, and that is controlling your emotions. For everybody watching this that is on my team, I know that we have been taking a couple of losses lately, and this is really what it comes down to. If you guys can control your emotions, you guys can basically know that we're not going to be making profits every single trade. We're going to take some losses. That's where you are overall going to win. And not overall going to win financially by making money, but with the mindset. That's where you're going to win on the whole emotional side, because people tell you guys this all the time. It's all about emotions when you are trading. So if you can control your emotions, you can know that you're going to take some losses, you're going to take some wins, it's going to be fine. And the cool thing about trading, what I love, and when I figured this out, is the 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Knowing that my profits are going to be 3 times bigger than my losses. So if I go into 3 different trades, all those trades have a 50 pip stop loss, and then all those trades have a 150 pip take profit. 2 of the trades go negative, boom, 100 pips negative. 1 trade goes positive for 150 pips, we're still at 50 pips. So that's really what it comes down to, guys. You guys need to be able to control your emotions. Knowing that if you are using proper risk management, there's no reason as to why you should be losing a large amount of money. And so many people, they over leverage their account. And that's what really messes a lot of people up, guys. I'm going to tell you guys this right off the bat. So many people, they think that that one trade that they get is going to be a winner, and they just presume that. They just think all of a sudden, okay, well, this trade is going to be much bigger profits than the other one, and that's where it really fucks them up. They go into the trade, they see it going negative. Oh, I don't know when to take losses. Oh, I didn't put a stop loss. I'm going to just let it ride out, hope it goes the other way. And guys, that's why I always put a stop loss when I trade, because sometimes when we're in a trade and it's going negative, you'll see it go to the stop loss level, and you're like, all right, well, it's going to retrace. You'll probably sleep on it, and then you wake up and boom, it goes down 50 pips negative even more, and that's where you're like, oh my god, I don't know when to cut my losses. The losses are too big already. I'm going to just hold it. I was guilty of that. I used to do that all the freaking time when I was trading, and it really messed me up emotionally, because I just kept taking losses after losses after losses. And another thing that you guys need to realize is when you are taking these losses, I highly recommend, after you guys take a big loss, a loss in general, just take a week off. At least a week. And within that week, that doesn't mean that you're not trading at all. Just trade on a demo account, because when you're trading with real capital, when you take one loss, you're most likely going to take a loss again, because when you take a loss trading, your mindset automatically is on revenge mode. You're like, all right, I want to revenge the market. It fucked me over. I took some losses. I'm going to come back and I'm going to do a way bigger loss size. I'm going to hope I cash out off this trade, and boom, that's where you take another loss. And then you try and go back into the market again, and that's when you end up blowing your account. So many people do this. I did it a lot when I was first started trading out, and that's because I didn't have the proper discipline. I didn't know how to control my emotions, and I thought that I can run the market. So if you guys stick to this rule, being able to control your emotions, you're gonna be fine. And one thing too, if you guys are trading on your iPhone, you're literally just looking at the charts and you're going into trades all off your iPhone, off MetaTrader 4, do not do that. Do not do that. You guys need to all do your analysis off TradingView.com. Why? Because it's a bigger screen, you can see the market, it's more predictable, and some brokers, and even on your demo accounts, the charts aren't correlating with the exact market price, how the market exactly is. So I highly recommend that you guys do not trade. Obviously, we're going to enter our trades on MetaTrader 4, but when we're doing our analysis, do it on tradingview.com. Guys, like I said, this Thursday at 5 p.m. PST, we're having our YouTube live stream. There's going to be a bunch of value in there, and throughout that live stream, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do giveaways throughout it. So I'm going to do like a $10 giveaway, a $20 giveaway, probably a course giveaway, something like that. So you guys, you need to be on that live stream. I'm hoping that we get at least 50 people on there. I know these live streams are a little bit new for the YouTube side, but we're going to see how it goes. But guys, thanks for coming on this video. If you guys have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Why? Because I'm going to keep giving value like this every freaking week. You guys are not going to want to miss it, especially when we reach 100K subscribers and up. Guys, I'll see you at the top or from the top.